How to follow someone on TikTok in your PC or laptop. Hello guys, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will show you that how can you follow someone on TikTok on your PC or laptop. So let's get started. On this process, firstly you'll have to open the TikTok on your PC or laptop. So you can also, as usual, open your TikTok app on your PC or you can go through the web version. So I'm opening the TikTok on my Chrome browser. Alright, so after you open the TikTok, you will got such an interface on your PC or laptop. So from here in the search field, you'll have to type that specific person name or account which you want to follow on TikTok. So in this search field, I will search for this Cristiano Ronaldo. Alright, so after you search someone on the search field, you'll have to go the option user. So simply tap on this. Alright, so now from this, you will be able to see every users of that name in TikTok. So from here, you can choose the specific person whom you want to follow. So I will choose this one. And now for me here on the top, I will get options like follow. So to follow the specific account on the TikTok, you'll have to tap on this follow. Alright, so as you can see, I have been following the Cristiano Ronaldo on my TikTok in the PC. So this is the easiest and simplest method to follow someone on TikTok on your PC or laptop. So if this video was helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.